Hey guys, this is how to close position on Etoro app. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So first one is just simply, of course, open the Etoro application, and after that, you should be able to see their portfolio. So just simply tap on that, and it will be located at the bottom of the screen. And now from there guys, just simply go ahead and tap on the relevant instrument to see the breakdown of individual positions that you have. And from there guys, once you have selected the instrument, you can just simply tap the position you wish to close, or you can just simply swipe left on it and just simply tap on the X icon. And from there guys, a pop-up window will show up and just simply tap on close trade at the bottom to finalize your decision. And from there guys, you should be able to close position on Etoro. There you go. If you still have any question, just simply comment down below and we'll do our best to answer it. See ya.